wondering, looking back at the beginning of season 5 and comparing it to what the Doctor's like at the end of season 7, there's an obvious change and growth in the character. It's very different. Could you shed some light on the transformation of his character and what you do, the processes you went through to change that as an actor?
Yeah, well, that's a really good question. And thank you, Ava, for noticing that there is a big difference. I was really keen that there should be. Yeah, well, you know, I think the Doctor, when he's my Doctor, sort of started out like a newborn lamb going, I've got limbs, and I don't really understand what they are. And, you know, I think for me, the really interesting major character point about the Doctor is that if you look at the blood on his hands over the years, I mean, he's killed whole civilizations, empires, you know, beyond empires. He's lost, he's killed many, many innocent people, you know, by the greater good. And I think ultimately, which is why I think he's so sort of weird and silly and because if he wasn't like that, then he'd end up, you know, sitting in a dark room and going, what have I done? And so I think that sort of, that burden and living with that burden has to affect any man, and seeing that snap and break. And I think the loss of Amy really screwed him up.